Alright guys, welcome back to Soai. And in today's video, I'm taking you to a super girly spot. It's called Happy Cake Bakery and it is out in the Bronx. When you go inside, you're going to know exactly why I said this. Now, I've been to a lot of restaurants here in the Bronx and trust me, the Bronx for me gets a lot of bad rap. People always, the moment I say the Bronx, people get turned off. But I promise you, when you see this place, you'll realize that it is a hidden gem. Now, you should also know that I'm trying to check out 100 Jamaican/Caribbean inspired restaurants here in New York. And I've given Jamaica so much love and a little bit of love also to Trinidad. Now, this spot is a Dominican inspired restaurant. So you're gonna get all your Dominican favorites like the breakfast and stuff like that. But today I'm most interested in their Tres Leches pancake. I absolutely love Tres Leches as a cake. It's one of my favorites. I'm not the biggest cake fan, but that cake I love. So already you can see behind me, it looks super girly and it's really small. It's very boutique, really small. I saw a couple people in there having breakfast. A lot of people are still in there having breakfast at the moment. Now, if you've seen some of those posts on Instagram where they have these really luxury looking desserts in there, they got it. So I'm inside, but I'm waiting for a particular seat that I can sit and show you guys all these dishes that I'm interested in. And yeah, you guys know how that goes already. But if you come here, just know it might be a little wait because it's more of a boutique cafe/bakery. So there's not a bunch of seats here. I would say there's easily maybe seats for like 10 people. And yeah, people come here quite often, it seems. The day it is, what is today? Today's a Friday, and it's almost 12 o'clock. Now this place serves breakfast all day long. Croissant, Tres Leches, mango mousse. Yeah, damn, I kind of fit in with this place a little bit. All right, so I'm a little bit confused as to what I want. I do want the Tres Leches pancakes. For those who don't know what Tres Leches is, Tres Leches, it just means 3 milks. So there is heavy cream, evaporated milk, and there's condensed milk. It's one of those desserts that is not so sweet, it is super moist, and it's delicious. If you've had it before, drop in the comments and let me know. So I know I'm gonna be having that, and I should have like a cappuccino, but there is croissants. I say that because my best friend Kurt, he used to say croissant. I think that's the correct French pronunciation. There's some beautiful croissants behind me. It looks nothing like the regular croissants that you might find, you know, in a deli or a supermarket. These things they look very high level. So I'm thinking of trying one of those. And then I want one of the fruit pastries that look super glossy. I have to try one of those things. And again, you're getting to try these in the Bronx for prices that so far don't seem so bad. And yeah, I got my seat. I probably waited about maybe 20 minutes to get this seat, but it is perfect. Nice little, oh, Shirley Temple. Okay, yeah, my aunt used to love watching Shirley Temple. I like this place, it looks really nice. But let's see the food. So hear this, I finally got a helmet. Yes, after everyone in the comments roasted me into safety. And while I do feel like a superhero on wheels now, I still ride like I'm dodging banana peels carting around New York. Because let's be real, biking around New York City is not for the faint of heart. Negligent drivers are practically a local species. It happened to my neighbor actually. He got clipped by a car and all he said was,
"Yeah, I just tossed my scooter in the closet and took the out."
Why? He didn't have the money to go after the driver. And that's where Morgan & Morgan comes in. When insurance companies hit you with the
"Here's $50 and a pack of gum"
type of settlement, Morgan & Morgan is for the people. And the best part, you don't pay unless they win. They are the biggest injury law firm across the United States with over 1,000 attorneys in all 50 states. Oh, and just in case if you're wondering if they're legit, they recently won $12 million in Florida. That's 34 times the top insurance offer, and 26 million in Philly. That's 40 times the top insurance offer. So yeah, they don't play. If you ever get seriously injured, your case could be worth millions. And you're only a few clicks away from changing your life. It's really easy. You can start your claim now with Morgan & Morgan with my special link, which is www.forthepeople.com/soy. Found in my description box or by scanning the code that you can find on the screen using your cell phone. So total, I paid $45, including a tip. Now let me tell you about customer service. I've been to quite a few Spanish-speaking countries, and the men will know, the women are the sweetest in every way possible. Super polite, very soft-spoken. They make it feel like a super hospitable experience, and everyone has given me this type of feel. So there's that, and beautiful woman, let's just be honest. So on one side of the restaurant, you can order the pastry type stuff, and then the other side is like the kitchen area. So if you come here for faster service, that's how it goes. Left side for pastries, and the right side is for in-kitchen menu. Now the mango mousse, I'm very excited to try. One of the ladies mentioned I should try the passion fruit one, but yeah, I'm sticking to a $50 budget. I thought I was gonna spend about $100 here today, but I think the prices look pretty good. They look pretty good. I mean, if the food is as good as these prices, I'm sorry, then this place is already geared up for an immediate 9 to 10 rating. Yo, it's tea time. This is beautiful. So here we have the cappuccino, and we also have our sugar. Thank you. And coming here is going to be our croissant. Thank you. This is a cheesecake.
Yeah, cheesecake croissant. It's a cream cheese cream with strawberries.
Cream cheese cream with strawberries. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. This is beautiful. I feel a little bit emasculated, but still, it's beautiful. All right, so here we have a croissant. Now, what is a croissant? It's a light, flaky, buttery pastry that comes from France. That's why it's so hard to pronounce. It's made by folding layers of dough and butter over and over in a process called lamination. Texture is light, airy, and crisp. Oh man, if it was getting the sunlight in this place, you'd see how beautiful these things are. It's pretty cold today. It's 48 degrees and gloomy. So this cappuccino is gonna go down super well. It's nice. Do I have, oh, no spoon. Oh, that's a lie. It's almost criminal to get rid of the design on the top, but hey. I told her I don't want it until I eat this.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you finish that, you want that.
Yeah, but it's gonna get soggy. No, it's fine. It's okay. Yeah, thank you. That's okay. Okay. You're welcome. Okay, my food came earlier than I wanted to, but luckily for the croissant, it's gonna hold up. It's usually in a cabinet there, so it's not gonna lose its shape. But for the Tres Leches, I have to eat this now, or else it's gonna get ruined. I told the lady up front, I was just like, I don't want everything at once, but I like paying at once. That way, I don't, people don't think I'm just sitting here wasting their time. All right, so let's dig into this really quickly. You You see how beautiful the food is? Like, you'd seem weird if you came in here and never took a picture. Okay. Super Tres Leches, like it is moist with that milk. That's why I kind of wanted to wait for this because you have to eat it right away. That is one of the best pancakes I've ever had. I love the way that it is, it's a rendition of something else, but it still tastes like a pancake, and it doesn't seem like you did a shortcut just to get the rendition of something else. For example, like chocolate chip pancakes, you just make a pancake, throw a couple chocolate chips, boom, you're done. Or blueberry pancakes, get a couple blueberries, boom, you're done. This feels like you are enveloped into the experience of the food, especially with the milk on the outer parts there. It gives that Tres Leches feel. And surprisingly, it is not soggy. It is not soggy. You still have a lot of bounce to that pancake. This is perfect. And for the price, yo, this is crazy good. Oh my God. Yo. This pork is so, it is so good. And the strawberry. That strawberry. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Heaven. What a pancake. I think it's absolutely genius how they put this pancake together. Just having all the milk to the base, it's literally giving you the experience of making your own Tres Leches because you're hydrating the pancakes at your own little speed. So it's not like they threw it on top and then everything becomes soggy. Actually, it is super consistent to what you'd want from a pancake and a Tres Leches. So you get that nice Tres Leches feel at the base here, and then on top you have that nice, spongy, soft, bouncy pancake on top. It is quite easily the best pancake I've had all year. And what I'm just noticing too, I don't think I saw any syrup on it. It looks literally just like pancakes solo. But the sweetness is perfect. Perfect amount of sweetness. I literally can't find a flaw with this. This was incredible. I am gonna just take one bite of this. I'm sorry, this feels like a sweetness overload now. But let's try this croissant. So, disclaimer, I'm not really a croissant kind of guy. Never have been a really big fan of them. I do absolutely appreciate the technique on how it's made because it takes a lot of work to do that lamination. But I can easily say this is the best one I've had. I've never had a croissant looking like this. I'm not talking about the inside, just like the outside and stuff. And this one is extremely flaky. So many layers. And then the cream cheese, the cheesecake, the strawberries, everything works so well with this. The technique on this is, oh. Just got a burst of that cheesecake. This is an exceptional piece of art. Ooh, that cream cheese is good. Yo, every man who come in here with a woman, them body big. Thank you so much. Yo, I feel like a kid. Oh my gosh, yo. I honestly feel this is how food should make you feel. When you go to any restaurant, it should be an experience. You work hard. If you're in New York and you're working, you know how hard and how tiring it is and how the city can be taxing on you mentally. Trust me, it can be super taxing. So when you have the chance to sit and eat, it should be somewhat of an experience. Now here we have the mango mousse. Look at the outside of this thing. It is glossy, it is shiny, it looks like something that you should not even be eating at all. And then on top there, you can see you have some gold foil. So you're eating a bit of gold, completely edible, completely fine. Look at that. Wow. You know what I'm just observing? The fine detail in this thing. It literally looks like a mango. Like you can see the contrast or the flecks of the orange and the green and the slight browns in this thing. Yo. Now, I believe the correct name is it's a mango entremet. Or in English, mango mousse. Okay, ooh, show you guys this. Cracks open, that hard shell, and then here comes the inside. Oh my gosh. Can this be the dessert that sends them home? For the win. Light. A playful kiss of that mango. Not overbearing, but it's there. Very much a mousse. Oh my gosh. Wow. I assume I'm getting a bit of a white chocolate on the outer shell coating. The coating seems super hard. You would think that it's sharp, but it's not. It melts in your mouth. Wipe it at you. Oh my, oh. What is this? This seems a little bit of a different color. There, that mango flavor just gets punchier. It's almost like when you're having a mango and there's a part of it that's it's starting to go bad. It's not bad as yet, it's ripening, so it's like intensely sweet. This part here, this off-colored part here, gives you a huge punch of that mango flavor. I've been to some pretty expensive restaurants in my life, and this one gives you that quality for a fraction of the price. And please, y'all don't raise y'all prices. Keep it just the same. This was an experience. All right, let me finish off this coffee, and I could be whoosh out of here. What do you think of it? It's good?
Wait, let me try one more time. I think it's dipped. I think it's dipped in mango. Which is
It's good, right? It's really good.
oh yeah. Yeah.
Is that what we said?
It's with the cream. Oh my god, look at
That
it.
they use.
Whatever that is good.
That is so good. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, they ordered the same thing as I did, and it was so good. Right? All right, have a good one, ladies. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, my experience there is it's a 10 out of 10 experience. Loved everything about this spot. Yeah, and you guys know me. If you've very new to my channel, you might not know, but for those who do know, I try to keep it real. There's a lot of places that I've seen on social media that have a lot of hype, and when you go there, it's not worth the hype. That place is definitely worth the hype. If you love a pancake or you love a Tres Leches, you're gonna enjoy it. If you're into desserts, you are going to be marveled visually and also tastefully. All right, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for checking out my video. And feel free to drop a like, I'd appreciate it. Drop a comment. And if you haven't, make sure that you subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember, you things, love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link.
Show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean.